So we'll do exercise 12.3 today. Area related to circles. So the first question first. Unless stated otherwise, we have to use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Find the area of the shaded region if PQ is equal to 24 centimeters. So we have a circle and then a diameter. And then a triangle. So we have QP, QPRN. Find the area of the shaded region if PQ is 24 centimeter. So PQ is 24 centimeter. PR is 7 centimeter. PR is 7 centimeter. And O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Now we have to find the area of the shaded region. Right. So we have to find the area, this area. Right. So what we'll do, we'll find the area of the semicircle and then we'll subtract the area of the triangle. We'll get the area of the area of the shaded region. We know that a diameter subtends an angle 90 degree at any point on the circle. This we studied in last class, right? So last class as in class 9th we padha tha. So this is 24 and this is 7. We can find the area as half into base into height. So 7 into 24 will get the area of the triangle. So area of shaded region is equal to circle minus area of triangle PQR. So this is equal to area of semicircle is half into IR square, right? And minus of area of triangle PQR half into PQ into RP. अच्छा इसके अलावा ना RQ पहले पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से अगर हम लोग निकालते हैं, so we will get RQ is equal to root under RP square plus PQ square. So this is root under 24 square plus 7 square. So this is 576 plus 49. So which is 625 square root, which is equal to 25 centimeter. So this is 25 centimeter. And because the diameter is 25 centimeter, the radius will be 12.5 centimeter. So the radius is equal to 12.5 centimeters. Once you have got the radius, put it here, half into 22 by 7. Radius is 12.5 into 12.5 minus half into PQ. PQ is 24 into 7. Now this is 11. So we put the values. So 12.5 into 12.5 into 11. So 172. So what you do, you can write this as 25 by 2. Why? Because we'll find the final answer in fractions only. So 25, 25, 60. 6875 divided by 28 minus 84. So this is so this will be 4523 divided by 28 centimeters square. Clear बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
देख लिया आप लोगों ने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can leave it in fraction, right?
Yeah, we can leave it in fraction. Why? Because they have asked you to take pi as 22 by 7. It's not getting divisible. It's not getting divided by 7.
Okay, sir.
Leave it in fraction. वैसे बोर्ड एग्जाम में बोला जाता है कि हमेशा 2 डेसिमल प्लेस तक निकालना चाहिए आंसर. Second question is find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.20. If radii of two concentric circles with center O and 7 and 14 centimeter respectively at angle AOC is equal to 40. So find the area of the shaded region. If radii of two concentric circles of two concentric circles with center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter. So अंदर वाले सर्कल का 7 सेंटीमीटर है और बाहर वाले सर्कल का रेडियस 14 सेंटीमीटर. Now respectively an angle AOC is 40 degree. So तुमको क्या करना, बाहर वाला सेक्टर मतलब बड़े सेक्टर में से छोटा सेक्टर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन निकल जाएगा, राइट? सो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन ये जो बड़ा वाला सेक्टर है OAC उससे OBD को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. सो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर OAC minus area of sector OBD. So this is equal to area of sector OAC अगर हम लोग निकालेंगे, so this is theta by 360 means 40 by 360 pi r2 square minus 40 by 360 pi r1 square. So 40 by 360 बाहर ले लेंगे, pi को भी बाहर ले लेंगे, into r2 square means 14 square minus of 7 square. So this is 9 times 22 by 7 into 9 into 14 square is 196 minus 14. So this is equal to 22 into 147 7 into 9. 154 by 3 centimeters square. Clear है बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third question है, find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.21. So we have this square ABCD. This is the shaded region. जिसका एरिया निकाल लो. तो स्क्वायर में से दो सेमी सर्कल को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, मतलब स्क्वायर में से एक सर्कल को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो एरिया निकल जाएगा हमें. So find the area of the shaded region if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. So this is a square of side 14 centimeter. And APD and BPC are semicircles. So this point is P. APD and BPC are semicircles. So area of shaded region. So you have to intelligently calculate here. Is equal to area of square minus 2 into area of semicircle. So देखो twice of area of semicircle एक सर्कल का एरिया ही हो गया, तो उसको हम लोग कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. So this will be equal to area of square is 14 into 14 side square minus 2 times area of semicircle. So that means pi r square, area of a circle. So this is pi r square. So see, the radius here will be equal to 7 centimeter because the diameter is 14 centimeter. This diameter is 14 centimeter. So the radius will be 7 centimeter. So pi r square करेंगे 14 into 14 minus 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So this is 196 minus 154. So 42 centimeters square. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
प्रणव लिख रहे हो तुम?
हाँ जी सर.
कैमरा ऑन करो. हमारा कैमरा क्यों नहीं ऑन है?
हेलो.
हाँ. लिखते रहो, लिख के दिखाते रहो हर क्वेश्चन के बाद क्या लिख रहे हो.
रखा दो.
ठीक है.
आज तो लेते हैं,
हाँ,
पढ़े ही नहीं बस. ठीक है.
पढ़ेंगे कि पढ़ाएंगे पहले बताओ. नहीं हो गया, लिख लिया.
हाँ.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Great. So after a long time I am seeing 19 kids attending the class. Fourth question. Find the area of the shaded region in we have this.
48 में मैम मैसेज किए. 458.
म्यूट करो क्या? One. So fourth question is find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.22 where the circular arc of radius 6 cm has been drawn with a vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 cm as center. So see, we have to find the area of this whole part. So देखो ये इसका part है. Right. So we have to find the area of this whole thing. So what we'll do, so what we are going to do, we'll find the area of this circle, area of this triangle, and then out of that, because this portion we have considered twice. एक बार जब सर्कल को कैलकुलेट कर रहे थे तो भी हमने इस पोर्शन को लिया, जब ट्राइंगल का एरिया कैलकुलेट कर रहे थे तो भी इस पोर्शन के एरिया को कंसीडर किया. तो हमने ये वाले एरिया को दो बार ही कंसीडर किया है, तो इसीलिए हम लोगों को इस एरिया को एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. So we'll add the area of circle and area of triangle and subtract the area of sector from it. We'll get the area, required area. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So area of shaded region is equal to area of circle plus area of triangle minus area of sector. So area of circle is pi r square. Area of triangle, because ये equilateral triangle है, √3/4 a square करेंगे minus area of sector theta by 360 into pi r square. अब हम लोग इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. This is equal to 22/7 into radius square 6 into 6 plus √3/4 into 6, sorry 12 into 12 minus theta by 360. So because equilateral triangle है तो ये एंगल कितना हो जाएगा, 60 डिग्री हो जाएगा. This angle is 60 degree, right? So 60 divided by 360 into 22/7. The radius is 6 into 6. So 66 times 6 one time, and then we have 4 3 times. So 22 into 12/7. 22 into 36 is 792 upon 7 plus 36 √3 minus 132 upon 7. (660/7 plus 36 √3). We'll leave it here.
Sir, do we have to substitute the value of √3? Do we have to substitute the value of √3?
No, we don't have to substitute any values. We'll leave it here.
Okay, thank you, sir.
तो वो सीबीएसई के सैंपल पेपर आया था आज, उसमें डाउट था सर।
बीएससी का कोई सैंपल पेपर अभी रिलीज ही नहीं हुआ है।
सर आ गया है शायद से।
सर हो गया है।
रिलीज
Sir,
हो
it's
गया
been
सर।
होगा
released.
ऐसा।
कल आया।
अभी तो ऐसे भी सिलेबस ही कम होने वाला है, तो तुम उस पेपर को लेकर क्या करोगे?
तो मतलब वही सर कि पहले ऐसे बता रहे थे ना 50%
हमारी मैथ्स
एमसीक्यू
में
आएंगे,
50%
सर
हो
वो नहीं
जाएगा।
हो रहा।
हाँ सर।
क्या बोल रहे हो? पहले एक एक करके बात करो। जस्ट ना क्या बोल रहे हो तुम?
सर ऐसा आ रहा था ना कि 50% एमसीक्यू होगा पहले, सर वो नहीं आ रहा सैंपल पेपर में।
तुमको अभी पता ही नहीं है ना, अभी तो गवर्नमेंट ही कुछ बताया नहीं है तुमको, खबर आ गया पहले कि कौन सा क्या चीज
सर
है।
हमारे स्कूल में भी बता
सर
दिया कि
स्कूल
कल
में
ही
ही
आया
बताया
सर
था कि
पेपर।
50% एमसीक्यू होंगे।
कल ही आया पेपर
Final
सीधे।
decision comes, let the final things come. Still they are in process of changing the syllabus and everything. Don't get into that. अभी जो पढ़ा रहे हैं उसको पढ़ो ना, क्या आ रहा है क्या नहीं आ रहा है, क्यों इसी से पूछा जाएगा ना। एमसीक्यू है चाहे पेपर है, पढ़ने में ध्यान नहीं रहता, क्वेश्चन कैसा आएगा वो चीज है। पढ़ेगा तब ना क्वेश्चन बनाएगा, बिना पढ़े ही क्वेश्चन बना लेगा।
सर सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर में केस स्टडीज के ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए थे, वैसे बोर्ड्स के लिए भी होंगे?
Please focus here, okay? What I am teaching. We'll talk about what paper is going to come when the paper comes nearer. अभी बहुत टाइम है उसमें। बोर्ड एग्जाम में हमेशा ऑप्शंस रहते हैं, तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में ऑप्शंस होंगे या नहीं वो तो पेपर आएगा, देन ओनली यू विल कम टू नो। You do not keep on guessing things. So fifth question is from each corner of a square of side 4 centimeters, so as in figure 12.23. So from each corner of a square of side 4 centimeters, so the side of this square is 4 centimeters. A quadrant of circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut. So the radius here is also 1 centimeter, and the quadrant here, these are also of 1 centimeter radius. Each of these quadrant is of 1 centimeter radius. Find the area of the remaining portion of the circle. Remaining portion of the square. So we have to find the area of this shaded region. So because there are 4 quadrants involved, sum of all these 4 quadrants make a circle. 4 quadrant का एरिया ऐड करेंगे, एक सर्कल मिलेगा, और एक जो ये बीच में सर्कल है वो सर्कल हो गया, तो 2 सर्कल हो गया। तो बेसिकली ये पूरे स्क्वायर के एरिया से 2 सर्कल के एरिया को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमें एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन पता चल जाएगा। So area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus 2 times area of circle. So one circle, this whole circle is given, and the other in the form of 4 quadrants. So sum of the 4 quadrants of a circle gives you the area of one complete circle. So area of the whole circle is equal to pi r square minus 2 times, sorry, area of square is equal to a square minus 2 times pi r square. So the value a square means 4 into 4 minus 2 into 22 by 7 into 1 into 1. So this is 16 minus 44 by 7, 112 minus 44 by 7. So this is 68 by 7 centimeters. लिखा आपने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sixth question. In a circular table cover of 32 centimeter, in a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeters, so the radius here r is equal to 32 centimeters. A design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in figure. Find the area of the design. So this is area of the triangle minus area of the circle minus area of the triangle. So this is 32. We'll draw a perpendicular here, right? And so this is 32. This is 60. Half of this will be equal to 30 degrees. So now let's say this point is O, and this point is, let's say, D. So BD will be equal to BD is equal to OB cos 30 degree is equal to cos 30 degree is BD by OB. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 into OB is 32 is equal to BD. So BD is equal to 16 root 3. BC is equal to twice of BD. So this will be 32 root 3. So BC हमें पता चल गया 32 root 3. So this is your side of the triangle, equilateral triangle. Now area of equilateral triangle, so area of shaded region is equal to area of circle minus area of triangle. So area of a circle is pi r square minus area of triangle is root 3 by 4 into a into a. So this is 22 by 7. Radius is 32 into 32 minus root 3 by 4. Side is 32 root 3 into 32 root 3. So 4, 8 times. So this is equal to 22 into 32 into 2258 by 7. 2258 upon 7 minus of 768. Yeah, this is the answer. So this is the area of the shaded region. लिख लिया सबने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Seventh question is, in figure 12.25, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters. So we have square, and then there are 4 circles. So in figure 12.25, ABCD is the square of side 14 centimeters. So this is 14 centimeters. So the radius here will be 7 centimeters. With centers A, B, C, and D, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. So we have to find the area of this region. So to find the area of this region, what we'll do, we'll from this square, we'll subtract 4 quadrants. 4 quadrant is equivalent to a circle. So area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of circle, because 4 quadrants make a circle. So this is area of square, that is 14 into 14 minus area of circle pi into r square, pi into 7 into 7, 196 minus 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So this is 196 minus 154, 42 centimeters square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Please write down.
Done, sir.
Eighth question है, figure 12.26 depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. So racing track है, यहाँ पे semicircular region है, इधर भी semicircular region. The distance between two inner parallel lines is 60 meters and they are each 106 meters long. So this length is 106 meters. And distance between this inner two lines is 60 meters. If the track is 10 meter wide, the width of the track is 10 meter. Find the distance around the track along its inner edge and the area of the track. देखो along its inner edge, अब देखो ये वाला जो सेमी सर्कल है, इस सेमी सर्कल का रेडियस हो जाएगा 30 सेंटीमीटर और जो बाहर वाले जो सेमी सर्कल है इसका रेडियस हो जाएगा 40 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है, आउटर सेमी सर्कल। तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, पहले तो इसका अगर इनर एज के अलोंग लेंथ अगर हम लोग को निकालना है, तो दैट मींस लेंथ ऑफ दिस साइड प्लस दिस साइड एंड दिस half circle and this half circle. So length, first part, distance around the track along its inner edge. Distance along the inner edge is equal to 106 plus 106. ये दोनों लेंथ, ये वाला लेंथ और ये वाला लेंथ, ये सेमी सर्कल का, तो देखो दो सेमी सर्कल मिलके एक सर्कल बनाता है, तो सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ सर्कल हो जाएगा प्लस ऑफ 2 पाई r हो जाएगा। सो दिस इज 212, 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 30. So 212 plus 44 into 30. 1320 by 7. Two 804 1 7. So this is the length of the track along its inner edge. Area of the track, if we have to find, so this will be area of this rectangle, and then area of this, concentric circles में area निकालेंगे, ring. So area of the track is equal to length into breadth, area of two rectangles. So 2 times the length is 106, the width is 10 centimeter. So see, this is 106 meter long and this is 10 centimeter. So 106 into 10 into 2. This is the area of the rectangle, both the rectangles. This rectangle and this rectangle. Now area of these two semicircles, the ring region, is equal to pi r2 square minus r1 square. This is the area of the ring. Okay. So this will be equal to, ऊपर वाला मिटा दें, लिख लिया सबने?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is 2120 plus of 22 by 7. R2 square means 40 square minus 30 square. अंदर वाले का रेडियस 30 है, बाहर वाले का रेडियस 40. So this is 2120 plus 22 by 7. 1600 minus 900 is 700. So this is 2120 plus 2200. So this is 4320 centimeters square. So meters square. लिख लिया सबने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ninth one. In figure 12.27, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle. So we have two diameters. One is CD and the other is AB. Diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. So OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 centimeters, so this OA is equal to 7 centimeters. Find the area of the shaded region. We have to find the area of the shaded region. So देखो, ये बड़े वाले का रेडियस 7 सेंटीमीटर, मतलब छोटे वाले का डायमीटर 7 हो जाएगा, तो इसका रेडियस कितना हो जाएगा? 7/2 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा, ठीक है? और उसके अलावा ये जो ये एंगल 90 डिग्री होगा, क्योंकि ये सेमी सर्कल पे जो एंगल सबटेंड करता है वो 90 डिग्री होता है। तो आप क्या करेंगे, पहले सेमी सर्कल से इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो ये दोनों सेगमेंट का एरिया निकल जाएगा, और उसके बाद ये वाले सर्कल का एरिया ऐड कर देंगे उसमें, तो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन निकलेगा। सो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ स्मॉलर सर्कल प्लस area of semicircle minus area of triangle ABC. So area of smaller circle is 22/7, pi into r square means 7/2 into 7/2 plus of area of semicircle half into 22/7 into 7 into 7 minus area of triangle is half into base 14, sorry, half into 6, we have to find this, so half into 14 into 7 कर दो, उससे अच्छा, half into 14 into 7, the base is 14 and the height is 7. (77/2) plus 77 minus 49. So this is 77/2 plus of 49. So this is 38.5. So 66.5 centimeters.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
लिख लिया सबने?
Answer.
Tenth question is, the area of a triangle ABC is 17320.5 centimeters square, equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle is given as 17320.5 centimeters square, with each vertex of the triangle as center. A circle is drawn with radius equal to half of the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. Pi is 3.14 and root 3 is 1.7320. देखो सिंपल है, ये एंगल 60 डिग्री है, ये भी एंगल 60 डिग्री है, ये भी एंगल 60 डिग्री है. तो ये जो पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर होगा, तीन सेक्टर को अगर एरिया को मिलाएं, इन तीनों सेक्टर के एरिया को, तो 60 प्लस 60 प्लस 60 कितना हो जाता है? 180 डिग्री हो जाता है. 180 डिग्री क्या हुआ? बेसिकली सेमी सर्कल हो गया. तो सेमी सर्कल ट्राइंगल के एरिया से सेमी सर्कल का एरिया सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमें एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन निकल जाए. सो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन is equal to area of triangle ABC minus 3 times 60 by 360. तीन सेक्टर्स हैं ऐसे ऐसे 1, 2 and 3. So 3 times 60 by 360 into pi r square. So 66 times 2 times pi r square by 2. Area of triangle ABC is root 3 by 4 a square minus of pi r square by 2. So we have to find the area of shaded region where area of an equilateral triangle is 17320.5. So this is 17. So see, root 3 by 4 into a square 17320.5 हो गया. A square is 4 into 17320.5 minus 17320.5. So this will be, if we cancel this is 10,000. So this will give you A is equal to, ये 40,000 का स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे तो 200 आएगा. A is equal to 200, साइड हो गया 200. So 173. So 17320.5 minus pi r square by 2. So 3.14. रेडियस इज 100 हो जाएगा क्योंकि ये पूरा जो है लेंथ ये 200 है. तो द रेडियस इज इक्वल टू 100. So 3.14 into 100 into 100 divided by 2. 1.57. So this will be 17320.5 minus 15700. So this is 1620.5.
सर वो जो राइट साइड पे करा है वो एक बार बता दो कैसे क्यों हुआ?
ट्राइंगल का एरिया निकाला है, इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल है, √3/4 a स्क्वायर होता है। ये वैल्यू तुमको दे रखा है क्वेश्चन में ट्राइंगल का एरिया, तो इससे
Okay,
एक
sir.
डाल लिया हमने। √3 का भी वैल्यू क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है।
अच्छा ठीक है सर।
a स्क्वायर 40,000 हो गया, तो a 200 हो गया, स्क्वायर रूट कर लिया 40,000 का।
हाँ सर ओके।
सो विल स्टॉप हियर। लिख लो जितने लोगों ने नहीं लिखा है, जिन्होंने लिख लिया है वो जा सकते हैं, है ना। होमवर्क सुन लो अभी जाने के पहले। पिछला भी अभी तक हमको करके मिला नहीं है होमवर्क।
सर मैंने भेज दिया।
सभी ने नहीं भेजा है, मैं बाकियों के लिए बोल रहा हूं।
सर ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करनी है हमें होमवर्क के लिए?
नहीं, होमवर्क में एक्सरसाइज नहीं है। Miscellaneous exercise 1, page number 153, 10 questions. Question number 1 to 10.
सर आप फोटो भेजोगे
सर
व्हाट्सएप?
फोटो भेज देना।
Yes, sir.
Miscellaneous exercise 1, question number 1 to 10, page number 153, and send the photograph as well.
ओके सर।
थैंक यू सर।
Bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.